second set of prophecy is the man becoming women, women becoming a man. There was a beautiful movie which is called as Ki or Ka, in which the women will go to work, man will stay in the house. Slowly it will come to the point, many men will grow long hairs, women will cut their hairs. Women will go to the job, get educated, go to job and will try to make money. Man will sit in the house and he will probably cook. In the future, you can say two men are like talking to each other in the phone and they are telling, hey, my wife is coming, I will talk to you later. You will also see a lot of men getting beaten up by the women. It is not the men are being beating the man, it is actually the reverse. And you can also see many women are raping the man. That will also be happening across as a person. Slowly it will come to the point, man will be submissive to women and women will be doing the total domination of the world. Now if you see president, prime minister, the power centric is all with a man. Slowly all these things will change where women will take over, women will be the judge, women will be the bureaucrat, women will be the power center of the entire world. In fact, it will come to the point that man will protest for freedom, whereas women will say, you cannot go to your mother's house. How dare you go to your mother's house? After you got married, you only belong to me. You cannot go to your mother's house. And you can see already lot of men are growing long hair. They cry, they take care of the baby, they change the nappies. All that thing will be there. It will be very rare to find man like me, or totally masculine, who does not like to cook, clean the house, who like to make money. All these things are going to change in the future in the coming 50, 100 years. If you see, the IMF chief is a Lagarde and lot of South Asian countries, the rulers are women. So it will be a top-down effect. Lot of president like that, layer after layer, the women will take over and man will become submissive. In future, you will have a lot of bosses who are women, who are very, very dominating. And if you try to fight with the women, they will make you resign the job. It will come to the point where women will be asked to take care of the mustache, and many of the women will like to have artificial insemination. And also if you see, people like to change their lovers. Earlier you will say, oh, man had 5 lovers, 6 lovers, he had a harem of women. Now you will see women having multiple affairs. And if you see Angelina Jolie, for every movie she had a man. If you see Sushmita Sen, she got married very, very late to a boy younger to her as a person, and also she had multiple affairs. So it will be common for many women to change their boyfriend and try to have a baby at the end of 45. First they will get educated, then they will go to work, make money, have a house, and finally they will try to have a baby. Man will be actually reversed. They will try to have the baby first and then finally they will go to a job. And actually it will come to the point where they will say, where man will say to a mummy, I need to go back to the house because my wife will be there, she would have come, I need to put the coffee across and give. Many man will be very, very strong in cooking. Many women will not only order from Swiggy and Zomato, but also will order a man, will say, hey, why didn't you bring the coffee to me across as a person. The men will sleep, men will cry, men will put ring in the ears, men will put bangles in the hand. Slowly they will become feminist. It is not, I am talking something out of the way. Slowly you will see this trend which is being happening. This is my second thing. The man will become women, women will become man.